Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to delete your DeepSeek AI account. So first of all, open the DeepSeek AI app on your phone, and once it loads up, look at the top left corner. You'll see a small menu icon with two horizontal lines. Now, simply tap on that icon because that's where all the main options are hidden. Honestly, this is the starting point for most settings, so don't skip it. As soon as you tap the menu icon, a panel will open up on your screen. Now look towards the bottom left side and you'll find your profile icon there. Go ahead and tap on your profile because this is where your personal account settings are located. This step is important since we're heading toward account controls. After opening your profile, you'll see multiple options on your screen. Now look for account settings and tap on it. This section basically controls everything related to your account, so this is exactly where we need to go. Just take your time and make sure you tap the correct option. Now, inside account settings, scroll a little if needed, and you'll see the delete account option. Once you find it, simply tap on it, but remember, this action is permanent. So make sure you really want to delete your account before moving forward. After tapping delete, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is just to make sure you don't delete your account by mistake. Now, simply tap on confirm or delete, and that's it. Your account will be permanently removed. Luckily, the process is quick and doesn't take much time at all. And that's how you can easily delete your DeepSeek AI account in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'll definitely help you out.